Hey guys, my name is Leo and I will be your host for today's MetroTech Weekly Wrap-Up. This week's wrap-up comes to you from the Auto Collision classroom at the South Bryan campus. I am currently a senior at the Southeast High School. I wanted to enroll in this program so I could learn useful skills that will help me be a successful auto body repair technician. I really like my teacher, Mr. Younger, because you can tell that he likes teaching us and he really does a good job of showing us how to do the job right. After I earn my certification, I plan to work in the collision shop and help people by making repairs on their vehicles. In student news, aircraft power plant mechanics student Kixel Maldonado Rosado had the pleasure of helping MetroTech officials give a tour of the Aviation Careers Campus to Oklahoma Congressman Frank Lucas. Kixel is an Air Force veteran who will graduate the program in December. After graduation, he plans to work for Vance Air Force Base. Also at the ACC this week, sophomores from John Marshall, U.S. Grant, and Capitol Hill schools were able to interact with students to ask them questions about their experiences in the program. On Thursday, we attended the college fair at the conference center and got to meet various in-state college representatives and have military personnel. We also learned a lot from the keynote speaker, Gabrielle McCormick, about how to win scholarships. And last but not least, with Thanksgiving approaching quickly, the MetroTech Community Outreach and Wellness Department is now accepting donations for the annual Bedlam Food Drive in honor of the late Dr. Dennis Portis III, who was the Associate Superintendent of MetroTech. Dr. Portis had a personal mission of ensuring no one went hungry, especially during the holidays. All proceeds would benefit the Northeast OKC Community Resource Center and the Regional Food Bank of Oklahoma. For more information, you can email or call Community Outreach and Wellness Specialist Rondo Wright. I'm glad I got to talk to you a little bit about myself and host the first weekly wrap-up of November today. Thanks for having me in MetroTech for Life.